I don't really like rainy days. It's raining. It was okay this morning. It was just kind of gray and overcast. But now it's raining. I went to the school downtown this morning. First I did some work at home. Well, up until almost noon hour I worked at home and got things ready. Then I went to the school to do photocopying because that gets me out of the way of all the major photocopy people during the week. There are a lot of teachers there that teach high school upgrading or something like that. So there's English being taught and that. And they need photocopies of various things. Boy, I'm really being specific there, aren't we? Yeah, so they need a lot of photocopying, they don't have textbooks so much, I think. Maybe they do, but they sure do a whole lot of photocopying. Teaching English, basically, from what I've seen. And so when I get there in the morning, I can't get there early enough to do my photocopying. So it's a lot easier to do it, or the majority of it, on the weekend. Of course, on the weekend, you run into the people. I'm sorry to say this, because they say, oh, they always blame us, but every weekend I get there and the photocopiers are either entirely or half of them are not in running order because of one thing or another, and they're to the point where I can't fix them. Obviously no one else can. So until Monday, they've messed up the photocopiers. So, while they're at least, well, I use the ones that are working. I fix the ones that I can, if I can. But basically, if I get there before people start to photocopy, I'm good. When they start to photocopy, I help them with whatever problems they have. Nothing ever breaks while I'm there, but it either happens before or after I get there. So I don't tell anyone during the week that I come on the weekend, because they're very prejudiced against the weekend people, one of whom I am not. But I can see their point, and I would like to know who does this, because the level of things not working are most amazing. Last weekend it was like unbelievable what they'd done. I think we were supposed to get a training course for these new photocopiers, but I haven't seen hide nor hair of it. I don't have time for it anyway, but photocopiers shouldn't be so finicky, so easy to wreck. Whatever. So I'm in a bad mood right now. Sort of down. I shouldn't be, because last night with the family went very well. Had a nice dinner at a restaurant. What did I have? I had chicken linguine pesto, chicken pesto linguine, something like that. Anyway, chicken linguine pesto. And then I had a skillet of mushrooms. It was really nice. Everyone just sat around and yacked, and Yes, I had a gin and tonic too. I hadn't had one in ages. So that felt good. But I'm still not really in the mood. Today I started doing some marking last night. That's okay. I'm going to do my college class tomorrow, like the 1 week. I'm keeping ahead, yeah. But I really don't feel like doing. I didn't win the lottery last night. Maybe that's it. I was really counting on that. How come that didn't come through? Maybe that's the problem with playing the lottery. It may give you hope, but then when you don't win, you feel hopeless for a while. Yeah, well, there's this new lottery that's replacing one that has gone away, and it costs more. So you feel even worse. You spent more money and you still don't have anything to show for it, which is my fault for playing the lottery. I know the odds of winning are astronomical. Oh well. I know I'll cheer up eventually. I'll see you folks. This will keep me busy for a little while. Procrastination.